Today I'm here with
prettier version of Nicole.
the prettier version of Nicole. Michael Jordan. Today we're going to do a Beppy challenge. What is the name of the Beppy challenge?
Beppy Tampon challenge.
With Jordan. So I thought it was inside of the trash. No, almost. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to fit the dry version of the Beppy tampons inside our mouths.
Yes, we didn't try the wet because you have spit and everything is wetting up.
Yes.
And I just don't like the feeling of wet stuff in my mouth.
Oh my god! So instead of saying chubby bunny, we're going to say
Beppy tampon.
Beppy tampon. So you want to start?
And you have a dry Beppy tampon to put in your mouth or somewhere else.
It means the vagina.
And I will start.
Okay.
Beppy tampon.
Wait. Beppy tampon.
Beppy tampon.
Beppy tampon.
I don't want to choke on the Beppy tampon. Beppy tampon.
Beppy tampon.
Beppy tampon.
Beppy tampon. Beppy tampon. Oh my god! No, where is it?
Beppy tampon.
Here. Come. Five, six, 7, 8. Oh my god. 9 and 10.
And Sarah's the winner! Well,
Beppy tampon challenge, guys.
and that way you take, I think 5 minutes and you have 17, 18 Beppy wet.
Oh, the tampon's full of... Oh my god, they're so wet.
Yeah, Beppy wet.
So thank you.
I love to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
See you next time.
Yes, goodbye.